Getting closer and closer to the elections. We don't have a date as yet, but we do know now this is probably going to play into it. The ANC has 4 days to hand over all records of cadre deployment to the Democratic Alliance. While the Constitutional Court had refused to grant the governing party leave to appeal an earlier High Court ruling.
It ruled that it was not in the interest of justice to do so, effectively blocking all legal routes to stop the disclosure. It will have to hand over all minutes, CVs, email threads, as well as texts dating back over a decade. Accountability Now Director Paul Hoffman says the ANC has breached the Constitution. We spoke with him a little bit earlier on this morning.
Constitution requires that good human resource management practices be kept in place when people are being employed into positions in the public administration and in the state-owned enterprises. And what the ANC did after that decision was to pretend that its cadre deployment committees do no more than recommend to the appointing authority, be it a municipality or a province or even at national level. They pretend that they make a recommendation, and the recommendation is then considered by the appointing authority, and in its discretion, it decides whether somebody else is better or not. Now, that pretense of a discretionary or recommendation that isn't binding type of setup has been rubbished by the disclosure of the minutes of cadre deployment committees after 2018,